All right. Well, so let's use how to use.
Não tá aparecendo para mim a sua tela, só você.
Okay, don't worry. Just a moment. Mhm. Okay. All right. Here we go. So we're gonna talk about the TH sound. Consegue me ver?
Consigo te ver e consigo ver a tela.
Eu estou na tela, então, para você. Sim? All right. So we're gonna today we're gonna talk about the TH sound. How to make what is the pronunciation for the TH sound, right? This is a very basic, very basic sound for the English language, and it's a very common sound in the English language. Brazilians, Portuguese speakers, they sometimes have a little difficulty to pronounce the TH sound. Why? Because in Portuguese, there is no TH sound, right?
Right.
The TH sound is th.
Th. Th. Th.
Yes, th.
Th.
Então, você coloca a língua entre os dentes e assopra.
O que você me falou aí é que não existe em português esse som.
No. In Portuguese, no. Do you speak any word in Portuguese with th? Do you speak
No.
faca? Faca? No, a gente fala faca ou vaca, but not faca. A gente fala paca, enfim, fala vários. Tem alguns, né? Caca, enfim, mas não. Né? Esse som não existe em nenhuma palavra no português, é isso que eu quero dizer.
Não. Isso, não, entendi o que você falou.
So for the Brazilians is a little different. And in English, it is produced in two ways. Two ways. Duas formas. Two forms. The e the. The. Yeah, the and the. You can pronounce mother, thumb. You understand the difference?
Sim, yes.
Mother,
thumb.
Yes. Okay? So the TH has two sounds. Let's see. Repeat. Mother. This. This. Então, normalmente o brasileiro, o português, ele quando aprende o som do TH, ele tenta colocar o TH também quando vem o S. O S continua sendo S, ok? So, this. O S ainda é S. This. Isso. A língua volta para trás para fazer o S. Ela vai entre os dentes para fazer o the e volta para trás dos dentes para fazer o s. So, this. Repeat, this. Isso. Ótimo. Depois temos o that. Repeat, that. And then, these. Repeat, these. É quase um D, né? Mas a língua vai lá na frente entre os dentes. This. Sorry, these. O S ainda é S, agora com som de Z, né? These. Isso, som de Z. These. Z. These. Isso. The,
The,
não é um D, a língua vai entre os dentes. The,
the,
they.
they.
Good. Excellent. And now we have th, 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 thumb. Repeat, thumb.
Thumb.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Legal, S é S. Thanks.
Thanks.
Thing.
Thing.
30.
40.
3.
3.
Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday.
O S ainda é S. Thursday.
Thursday.
How do you pronounce Thursday? Repeat.
Thursday.
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 Just a slight second. Listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat.
Good.
1.58.
Mother.
Repeat.
Mother.
Yes.
The.
Repeat. The.
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 The. The.
This.
That's.
That.
That.
These.
This.
The.
That.
They.
They.
Thumb.
Thumb.
Th.
Th.
Thanks. Thing.
Thanks. Thing.
30.
30.
33.
3.
30.
3.
3. Acho que agarrou aí o
Thursday.
som pra mim.
Thursday. Repeat.
Thursday.
Thursday. Repeat.
Thursday.
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 Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes. Yes.
Thursday.
Very good. Very good. Let's practice with some sounds here. Listen and repeat the phrases, okay? Listen and repeat the phrases. Just a second.
Aham. O som, às vezes, fica. O som tá agarrando, assim, eu não consigo ouvir ele todo.
Não consegue
Parece
ouvir?
que corta,
Tá, vamos ver agora. Ver se você consegue ouvir agora, tá bom?
Tá.
1.59. 1.
This Thursday.
Repeat.
Desculpa, eu não ouvi.
Não ouviu? Não apareceu o som?
Só o final, they. Só viu o they no final.
1.59.
Yeah?
Agora sim, agora eu tô ouvindo.
1.
This Thursday.
This Thursday.
This Thursday.
Thursday.
This Thursday.
This Thursday.
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 This Thursday.
This Thursday.
2. 33.
33.
33.
33.
33.
33. 33.
3,
Those things.
Those things. Those things.
Those things. Repeat.
Those things.
Those
Those
things.
those francs.
Those things. Repeat.
Those things.
Those things. Repeat.
Those things.
4. Thanks for that.
Repeat.
Thanks for that.
Thanks for that. Repeat.
Thanks for that.
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 Yes.
5,
These are the keys.
These are the keys.
These are the keys. Repeat.
These are the keys.
These are the keys.
These are the keys.
These are the keys. Repeat.
These are the keys.
Excellent.
6. What are those things there?
What are the things where?
What are those things there? Repeat.
Wow.
What are those
What-
things
What
there?
what are those things there?
What are, repeat.
What are
What are those
those
things
things
there?
there?
What are those things there? Repeat.
What are those things there?
What are those things
What are-
there?
What are those things there?
Repeat.
What are those things there?
What are, repeat, what are
What are
those things there?
those things there?
Things.
What are those things there?
What are those things there? Repeat.
What are those things there?
Repeat.
What are those things there? What are those things there?
Yeah, very good. I'm 33 this Thursday. Repeat.
I'm there. I'm
33. 33.
33.
33.
33.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
I'm 33
Thursday.
this Thursday. Repeat.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
I'm 33 this Thursday. Repeat.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Listen and repeat.
Sobe um pouquinho só.
7.
A tela.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Read.
Não, eu não ouvi direito. Ele tá repetindo 7?
Yeah.
Não ouvi direito.
Let me go.
Seven.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Yeah?
Eu vi
Não?
só o final. Não, eu vi só o final dele.
7.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Eu só vi I'm 30, I'm 30, só isso. I'm 30.
Those things there.
7.
7.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Agora eu vi. I'm 33 this Thursday.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
I'm 43 this Thursday.
This Thursday.
This Thursday.
Yeah, I'm 33 this Thursday. Repeat.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
Yes, very good, very good. We have 4 minutes. Let's go again. This Thursday, repeat.
This Thursday.
33.
33.
Those things.
Those things.
Those things.
Those things.
Thanks for that.
Thanks for that.
Thanks for that.
Thanks for that.
These are the keys.
These are the keys.
What are those things there?
What those things were there?
What are those things there?
What are those things there?
Those things.
Those things there.
I'm 33 this Thursday.
I'm 43 this Thursday. Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday. What do you think? Did you like? Do you like it?
Pra repetir?
No, you like or don't like? Understand?
Like.
Yeah, nice.
Like.
Bom, muito boa a pronúncia, tá, Suzana? Ficou legal. Né?
Ficou legal.
Quando a gente começou, a gente já tá um tempinho juntos, hein?
Aham.
A pronúncia melhorou
Esse
bastante.
TH é ruinzinho, até a gente que é fluente, eu vejo que tem dificuldade de falar.
Ah, sim. É.
Eu já vi meu chefe falando com japonês, imagina, os dois. Que dificuldade para um entender o outro.
É verdade. Até as línguas germânicas também, o germânico, o pessoal, né, tem origem germânica, pronuncia esse TH também forte, como se fosse um T, né? Tum, tum.
Aham.
But that's okay. Thank you, Suzana. Thank you.
Thank you.